Matplotlib automatically scale vertical height of subplots for shared x-axis figure. I want to automatically scale the vertical height of subplots for shared x-axis figures based on their data span. I want to compare the relative intensity of the displayed data. If I use the Sherry equals true quarg for the subplots, the data is displayed in a way that the relative intensity is recognizable. All subplots have the same height now, and the data span in the y-axis is recognizable as the data is displayed with the correct relative proportion. What I would like to achieve is that the scales of each plot end where the data ends, essentially eliminating the not used white space. The size of the subplot would then represent the relative height ratios of the data. They should still have the same scaling on the y-axis in order for the viewer to estimate the relative data height, which could be a contrast, for example. I found the following links to similar problems, but none really helped me to solve my issue. Link 1, Link 2.
Here an example that determines the ratio for you and creates the subplots accordingly. The code determines the maximum y-extent for each set of data, casts it into an integer, and then divides the figure into subplots using the sum of these extents as scale for the grid spec. The resulting figure looks like this. Tested on Python 3.5. Edit. If the maximum and minimum extents of your data are not comparable, it may be better to change the way HS is calculated into.
This is